Implementation begins with strong planning practices, well thought out, developed plans of action. In our lessons, we need to incorporate more time for our students to process. That wait time may be uncomfortable, but it is valuable for our learners. We have to provide different types of formative assessments, and we need to have those immediate instructional conversations that provide valid feedback. We need to then turn our thoughts inward and analyze and deconstruct our own lesson plans so that we are ensuring that we're including culturally responsive elements. We need to think about all of our instructional strategies, thinking about the visual, auditory, kinesthetic, and tactile learners, so that we can incorporate many different types of culturally responsive elements in different forms. Then we need to pick one small idea. Let's break it into small, manageable chunks. We have to take one small idea from each of the 4 areas of the Ready for Rigor framework and include it in our daily practices. By doing this slowly, it will build up over time and make you a more confident and comfortable, culturally responsive teacher.